how to use a vacuum attachment on this super powerful mini fan that's super strong. Look, this thing is very robust. It has a flashlight, it's very powerful, and this fan can blow at a crazy powerful speed. Look at that right here. But I had to figure out how to use it as a vacuum because it comes with all these nozzles and it's not quite easy to understand. So the first thing is easy right here. So this one is easy to use. So this one, you simply push this in back here, and now when you push a button right here, it becomes a suction, very powerful. And if you want different speed, you can double tap, and that's your slow speed right there. It's automatic. Tap again, that's medium speed. Tap again, that's triple speed right there. And to get the full power, you actually have to turn it off first. The light down there is off. Then just push and hold, and that's maximum power, right? So then you're wondering, okay, so how do these attachments work? How do you attach these other things to it? Does it go here? Does it go here? Because there's threads here, but there's no threads here. So I had to figure out that all these right here, they have threads. And the way that you work it is use this thing, push it in here, and because it has these kind of O-rings, now you can twist this, and when you twist this, guess what? It turns and pulls out this piece that's normally very hard to pull out, right? So now that you pull out this piece, you can actually twist in any of these vacuum attachments, and you have a very cool vacuum cleaner effect. It's pretty crazy. So this one right here has different nozzles for you to clean up very small things, and it's very powerful because you can change the nozzle size. And you have all these different nozzles, like very small nozzle right here to pick up stuff, and you got this one over here. You even got some brushes. Now to use these two, it's a little bit different too. So let me go ahead and take this out, and I'll show you. So this one right here comes out, and when you want to put back the nice ring that goes back here, you use this piece right here, and you can twist it back because that's the easiest way to twist on and off the ring. Otherwise, it's very hard to take on and off the ring. But this plastic O-ring right here, it makes it easy, right? And then you have this piece that you can actually attach here, and you see there's a little rubber grommet you can actually fit inside here. And then now you have a little brush, right? It fits really well, it's solid. And then now you have a little outlet right here that you can attach this onto, like this. I believe that's how you attach this onto. Maybe not. Maybe it should attach onto it. I don't know. It could be. Could it be for this one? No. This one, no. Huh. Maybe I'm wrong. Maybe. I guess you just have to tight fit. There you go. So it does fit in. It's a little bit of a tight fit, but I guess that's how you use it. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, now you have a blower with a brush. But I'm not sure if that's how you attach it. Oh, you attach it here? Oh, you do attach it here. So then this is just a nozzle. This is just a nozzle right here. And to use this brush, you put it right here. See, I'm still figuring it out. There's so many different pieces. But this is a very powerful unit with a very bright flashlight. You push again, you have a flashing flashlight. You push again, now it's a slow flashing flashlight. It's USB Type-C charging. Again, push and hold the power button for full speed. And if you want to go to the variable speed, you double tap, and that's the slow speed right there. You tap again, that's a medium speed, and you tap again, that's the high speed. And then you tap and hold to turn it off, and once it's off, you push and hold to get the maximum speed. That's some crazy power. It's USB Type-C charging, and yeah, you can see it's very powerful, perfect for like detailing your car, drying it, or using it as a vacuum cleaner, or just dusting off things around the house. Like, so compact, yeah, it's very strong, it's solidly built. It's like, this is metal. It's very, very high quality. I love this mini jet fan because it doubles as a vacuum, and it's super useful. This thing is just quite awesome. I mean, look at the build quality of that fan right there. It's just blasting air right here. Oh yeah.